Ever wonder how your phone knows when to flip the screen or how drones stay perfectly balanced in the air? It's all thanks to a tiny but powerful piece of tech, the motion sensor. And guess what? It's everywhere. In your smartphone to detect rotation and tilt, in self driving cars to stay aware of direction and movement, in segways to help them balance, in airplanes to maintain stability, in ships to stay steady and upright against the waves, in VR headsets to track every head movement, and in drones to stay level and smooth in the air. So, what exactly is a motion sensor? It's actually two sensors working together. The accelerometer detects movement and tilt, and the gyroscope senses rotation and spin. But here's something even cooler: humans have a built in gyroscope too. It's called the vestibular system, inside your inner ear. It helps you stay balanced, know which way is up, and feel motion. So when you spin in a circle and feel dizzy, that's your own internal motion sensor getting confused. Pretty amazing for something so small, right? We often take these tiny sensors for granted, but without them, modern tech just wouldn't work the way it does. From flying planes to flipping screens, these little sensors keep our tech moving with us. So next time you stay balanced or your phone rotates just right, you can thank motion sensors, both artificial and natural. So what would you build with a motion sensor? If you found that cool, hit the like button, subscribe for more fun tech explainers, and let us know in the comments what sensor you want to learn about next.